All right, let's go ahead and work on our floor plan page. Let's take a look at what we got. So looking at this, existing house to remain, existing roof to remain, looks good. We don't need to put existing roof to remain on the floor plan though, so we can take that off because this is just a floor plan. So if we're here on the porch, that looks good. This column, we can scoot back a little. And I'll tell you why. I'm going to scoot it back. That's fine there. The reason for scooting this back, let me show you a secret too. 1 second. Looks like you used the X for that. But right here, you can grab your CAD tool, boom, and cross box. And you just go right over what you got. And you're good to go there. And then like if you don't want this to be solid, we go here and we'll go open, fill style, and then where it says, yeah, transparency 100. Hit okay. Really good. So that takes care of that. The reason to make this 11.4 is because like beams come pre-cut to sizes. You can order them, I guess, cut already, but you can get a 12-foot beam. So this would serve that purpose. You wouldn't be wasting a whole bunch. So we can make it 11.4. We could, yeah, because from here, we'll set that a little bit. It'd be 11.6. They'll only have to cut a little bit off. That way, you know that they got enough. That'll be fine. 11.4 and 6. That's good. And then in here, let's see. You don't have to put this for the door. It's fine at 1'4". They'll figure out the rest. Same thing in here. Just pick one side because if we put all these extra dimensions, if one of those dimensions is wrong, then it comes on us. So we'll just leave it just like that. That's perfect. They can fill in the rest because from here they can go in and see what size it is. There's another page on the details page. I'll show you in here. They reference this page, standard rough opening for window sizes. And masonry opening, it'll tell them what they need to do. So you don't have to worry about that. Okay, let's get out of that. All right, so again here, let's use this one and get rid of that. That's good, perfect. Let's see, that's good. Good job. You got your L5. I'll double check those in a minute. You got your L1. This is gonna probably be an L2. Let's double check. Yep, 3763 is gonna be an L2. So you have to add 8 inches to each side because the way a lintel sits, let me show you. Lintel sits on wall. Let's go to images. Open this one. Let me see. Ah, here you go. All right. So a lintel. If I open this picture, scroll down. You can see that a lintel actually sits over the top of the wall. See right here? And it usually sits 8 inches on each side. So when you do a lintel, you take the opening plus 8 inches on this side and 8 inches on this side. So essentially you're doing the opening plus 16 inches. So if we take 37 inches plus 16 inches. That gives 53 inches. If you go to feet, that's 4'5". So if we go to our details page, open view, and we scoot over to our lintel chart. I probably should have just done this on the other page, but that's all right. So we got to find 4'5", L2. A lintel 4'6" would cover L2, or cover that gap, 4'6". So L2 is the size we need there. So we go back in here. Let's change this to L2. Got that. Let's double check this one. D3, what's this? 6-foot door. So 6 feet plus 16 inches equals 7'4". 7'4" is L6. Let's double check. Yeah, it looks like you got a little confused on lintels. No big deal. You know now. Add 16 inches to each side. Or add 16 inches total, 8 inches to each side. L6. Do I need any more lintels? Lintel here. Yeah, I need one for here. Yep, L1 is probably right. 2 foot. 2 feet plus 16 inches is 3'4". I don't think there's a smaller lintel than that size. Let's just double check. L1, 4 foot. Yeah, that's fine. Perfect. Cool. So that's done there. Let's see what else. You don't need a lintel here. Because they had a bigger door, so that door would fall underneath that. But you do need this door to be on the schedule. So you do need the label. You do need it on your schedule. It's going to be an interior, brand new interior door. Okay? Because you took the wider door and you're making it a smaller door. So they need to order that door. That door needs to be on the schedule. All right, let's see. Again, don't need this. They'll figure it out from the schedule. Don't need this. They can figure it out from the schedule when they order the door. Let's make sure this one fits. Let's give this a little more room. Not button all the way up. That's probably good there. That'll work. This one you got plenty of room, so that's good. L1, we know that's good. All right, here for the toilet. I guess you could show that to show that you have enough space on each side. I usually don't, but that's fine. You could do that. Here for the sink, you don't have to show that on the sink for that dimension. You will need that on another page, and I'll show you when we get to that page. That's good there. Good here, good here, good here. Perfect. Looks good. One other thing. So on here, looks like you got this filled, but you got it filled with black, right? So that's good. You want that. But on here, you have it filled with light gray. So you just double click it, go to wall types, define. You see how it's light gray here? Double click this, change the color to black. Hit OK. 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 You want this to always match this. So now it looks like it matches. You're good there. Cool. Good job. You're good on this. Make sure that that last door was added in. Hinge door. But it did keep that. Dang. Okay. So what I need to do here Object information. Yeah, I don't need that on this door. Don't need that on this door. This is actually masonite. Okay. Huh. And these other doors, we'll just put masonite. Object information. I guess I didn't put anything for the interior doors. That's my fault. Masonite. Gotta fix the template, or maybe there's a reason. Maybe the template won't do it. I don't know. Let's check this one. Object information. Manufacturer, masonite. Cool. Good. This is good. Perfect. Yep, that's good. Looks good. All right, one other thing that I know you need on this page already. Close this. Need a window detail. So let's go ahead and grab it. This is glazing one. Anytime there's a window, anything that has glaze, so anything with glass has glazing. All right, you gotta have this hazardous glazing note. Hazardous glazing locations. You gotta put this in there. So let's go ahead and drop this in. File, send to layout, current screen, 1/4 inch. All right, let's see where we can fit this. Oh, let's make this smaller. Let's scoot this over. All right. This looks good. This page is done. That's that for this video.